Meet the next evolution of portable entertainment. Xgimi's brand new MoGo 4 and MoGo 4 laser projectors have officially gone global. And yeah, they're here to change how you watch everything. Compact, portable, award-winning. The MoGo 4 series delivers cinema-quality projection wherever you go, powered by a built-in battery and running Google TV with licensed Netflix right out of the box. Let's talk power. The MoGo 4 packs crisp 1080p Full HD visuals with 450 ISO lumens of brightness, on screens up to 120 inches. And it sounds just as impressive with dual 6-watt Harman and Cardan speakers built in. Add a creative touch with magnetic filters. Sunset comes included, or go bold with Ripple, Dreamscape, or Lunar. Swapping filters? Just wave. Gesture controls do the rest. So it's more than just a projector, you know? You can switch to Bluetooth speaker mode and enjoy these dynamic lighting effects that actually pulse along with your playlist. Play for up to 2.5 hours on a single charge. Or hey, go double with the power base stand for up to 5 hours. Looking for next-level performance? Well, meet the MoGo 4 Laser. This premium model comes with cutting-edge triple laser optics delivering 550 ISO lumens, a stunning 110% BT, 2020 color gamut, and ultra-sharp contrast. It's all wrapped in brushed aluminum with this glowing transparent base. It doesn't just perform, it stuns. And yeah, you get all 4 magnetic filters included. Both models come with auto keystone correction, instant focus, and smooth streaming with Google TV and licensed Netflix. No dongles, no workarounds, just plug, play, and go. Need ports? You're covered. HDMI ARC, USB, Bluetooth 5.1, and Wi-Fi 5 come standard. Want the full outdoor experience? Pair it with Xgimi's 70-inch outdoor screen. It sets up in just 60 seconds, and stays wrinkle-free. Ready to take the big screen anywhere? MoGo 4 is $449 or £509. MoGo 4 Plus Power Base is $494 or £579. MoGo 4 Laser is $719 or £679. MoGo 4 Laser Bundle is $809 or £799. Available now at xgimi.com and Amazon. Portable, powerful, personal, the Xgimi MoGo 4 series brings cinema anywhere. Like, subscribe and drop a comment, so which one are you picking up?